Maybe it's enough, Sam?
Well, what kind of soap party would it be without bubbles? They're just popping in the air. We need more!
You'll get exhausted like that, Sammy. Let's find another way.
I think I'm already tired, Roger. I can't do it any longer.
Saving Sammy mission begins. Bring everything that comes to hand and let's go.
What do you mean by everything that comes to hand? Hey, Roger! Roger, when you said to take everything, I thought you were kidding.
Sammy, you underestimate me. And you've been a crafter for so long.
No, what? Hey, careful! This wheel almost hit me.
I mean, you should know that anybody can make awesome things from nothing.
Okay, you're right. So, what are we gonna do today?
Oh, you're definitely gonna like it. This'll be a remote control car with a bubble machine.
Holy cannoli, it's gonna be the best soap party ever!
Right, Sammy. Soap bubbles are a perfect thing for the party. Let's start with the RC car. We need a cardboard piece, 15 by 18 centimeters, with a futuristic design. And 4 gear motors.
Oh, I think I know why we need these motors. Roger, am I right?
Hush, Sam. We'll reveal this a little bit later. We'll place the motors on the cardboard piece, like this, using hot glue. Be careful with it and don't get burned. This process requires a lot of attention. Here we go. Now we'll connect them to a controller module. Ask an adult to help you with it, guys.
Don't get tangled in wires. I've been through this so many times.
Yep, Sammy. Your relationship with wires is sure something. How do you even manage to get tangled every time?
It's always bad luck, Roger. They just stick all over me in the blink of an eye.
And now we'll use the soldering iron to connect the control module wires to the battery.
Guys, Roger is a real pro with this. You better do it with an adult supervision.
Next, we're going to wrap the wire contact with a protection tube. Heat the tube a little to let it shrink. Be very careful, guys.
Wow, it's real magic! That's why I like crafting.
And it's done. Let's connect the wires to the radio control module. There we go. Perfect.
I'm kinda pro in crafts too. This one won't work without a battery.
It's hard to argue with that. Let's connect one with the controller module like this.
Roger, I found out what will make this car even better!
Really? What do you have in mind, Sam? Oh, well, seems like he's gone and I didn't notice. Well, while Sam is preparing something, I'll place the battery right here. Done!
Oh, Roger, you've already started attaching wheels?
I'm only halfway. It seems like you have something interesting for me?
So far, I'll only tell you one word. Are you ready? Lights!
I think I got your idea. Did you bring an LED strip light?
Bingo! Do you think we can use it for our craft?
Let's just try and see.
Oh.
What is a party without shiny lights after all?
Oh.
Here comes the LED strip light. We'll glue it here. And place this part carefully around the control module. Like this. Just one more wire to connect. Up! Yay, guys, it's working! Guys, check out these cardboard strips that we added on the sides. And here comes the last thing.
Aren't we gonna hide the mechanism?
Of course not! We can't hide this awesomeness, Sam.
Huh, okay, if you say so. Huh, Roger, you have a very strange mirror here.
It's just a CD, to listen to music, you know?
Oh, it's so old-fashioned. Why do you even still have that?
I like collecting old stuff. And today we'll use this CD as a mill wheel. It'll spin and make some cool bubbles.
Oh, I got it! Roger, you need to make a container for the soap!
That's why I have this aluminum can. Let's make the hole the size of the CD. Like this. You see? Bam! That's how it's done. Let's check the size. Perfect fit.
Roger, I had to keep myself busy, so I made a few marks on the CD.
Guys, to make perfect soap bubbles, we'll need wind, a soap mixture, and a few openings. We're gonna drill them right now.
Wow, you made it so fast, Roger! You're the best!
I wasn't going to.
Oopsie! Don't tell Sue about that.
In the meantime, we'll continue. Let's use a marker and a bottle lid.
1, 2, 3! Guys, I counted them for ya.
And here comes the drill again. Guys, better ask an adult to help.
Watch your hands, Roger! Oh, you've already finished.
Yeah, and now we're gonna glue the lid right in the middle.
Roger, check this out. I have wooden teeth.
Oh, this is what I need right now. Thanks, Sam.
Careful. I still have 2.
Unlucky for you, we'll use all 3 sticks in our craft, Sammy.
Alright. I hope I'm not gonna regret this.
Now all 3 sticks are in place. Let's make this CD spin. First, we'll add some glue to the lid, carefully. And then we'll attach a small motor. Check this out! Now we can place it on the RC car.
This container goes first. Don't forget the proper order, Roger.
You're right, Sam. Let's place it on the front.
And here comes the CD. Where should we place it?
Wait for a bit, Sam. First, we'll work with these cardboard pieces, 3 by 6 centimeters each. Let's glue them together. If you use hot glue, be very careful. And now let's glue them to the car, right behind the container. And here's another small piece. Great! We also added some yellow color to make it look really cool.
Uh-huh. This is gonna be a sort of stand, right?
Exactly. We're gonna place the CD mechanism on its top. Add some glue as always, and place the spinning mechanism right here. Cool!
Guys, do you want to learn how to create wind? Then watch the next part.
So now we'll work on a wind propeller. Sam, say it again. Why do we need this?
'Cause we're gonna blow bubbles. Watch me. It's not working, Roger. We must make strong wind.
Okay, I got you. Let's make a stable stand first.
It must be like a tornado!
It won't be that strong, but I'll do my best. We'll glue this piece right behind the motor.
Roger, I found what she asked. Am I fast, huh?
Thanks. But I asked for 2 halves of a popsicle. Ah, wow, this was amazing! Sam, is there anything you can't do?
I can't think of anything like that. I'm pretty awesome.
We're gonna make this stand a little bit higher. Let's glue these pieces right here. Now we're ready to attach the propeller.
I got it, Roger. Here, take this.
Good job, Sam. All we need to do is just put it in the right place. Cool.
Shiver me cheddars, I can't wait to see how it works.
Hey, Sam, don't you think something is still missing here?
I thought this place was made for me. Do you have better ideas?
We can make a driver so that you can enjoy the party.
I'm not sure. Will he handle this?
I'll monitor him well.
Oh, okay. I trust only you, Raj. What shall we start with?
Let's make him a body. We'll use this aluminum can.
Guys, you see? Sometimes drinking soda can help in crafting. Oh my tippy jabba, Roger, is this another thing from your collection?
Hello, I am Roger's wooden mannequin. Ah, it was so helpful for my drawing class.
Wait, are we gonna use it in our craft?
Only some parts of it. You'll see. Now let's join body parts together. First, we'll connect the body and the neck.
I've grown a second head! Which one is better?
I like the original Sam the most. Let's glue the head too. Ha, not bad. This guy also needs strong arms to drive the car. And strong legs to feel stable during the ride. Here he is! But I think we need to add something like... Thanks for the inspiration, Sammy.
What?
That's much better.
This'll be the bubble DJ. Speed up, Roger. We still have to finish the bubble machine.
Oh, that's right. We're gonna connect the propeller and the spinning mechanism with the tumbler. Do this only with adult supervision. Now guys, we'll insert the button, which is connected to our wires, which in turn are connected to the battery. Are you ready to test how it works?
Roger! Hey, Roger, you forgot about the driver! Cool! Our RC car with a bubble machine is finished! Let's party!
Here we go! It's time for bubbles! We're ready to rock!
Guys! Roger! Guys, our soap party is coming! Let's check everything! Controller!
Check!
The driver's ready too! He looks really excited!
What are we waiting for then? Let's go! It's an absolute success, guys! I hope you like it. Don't be afraid to set your creativity free.
'Cause it's so fun! Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye, guys!
Bye, everyone!